Welcome to the deep heart of the forest. Leave the noise of the world behind. As you watch the sunlight filter through these ancient trees, let your body relax. Breathe in the scent of damp earth. Breathe out the tension in your shoulders. You are exactly where you need to be. Did you know that trees are constantly looking after each other? Through a hidden network of fungi underground, they send warnings of danger and share nutrients with the weaker trees. In this forest, no one stands alone. There is a silent wisdom here. Reminder that we, too, are connected to everything around us. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. These trees took decades to reach the sky, growing millimeter by millimeter through storms and seasons. Like them, your healing doesn't have to be fast. It just needs to be consistent. Trust your own timing. As our journey in the forest comes to an end, take this stillness with you into your day. Remember that this peace is always inside you, waiting for you to return. Thank you for walking with Earth.com. May your path be light and your heart be at rest.